Welcome to Disneyland.
Welcome to the vlog.
We're at parking. We're at parking. And it's 4 o'clock.
No, let's do that.
Why? That was kind of funny.
No.
That wasn't.
And action. Hey guys.
We are at Disneyland.
It is 4 p.m. 4:10 specifically.
We're kind of nuts.
And we're starting our Disney day. It took him
3 hours to get a freaking reservation, but we did it and we're here. And it's our last day before our pass expires for this summer. And we already know what we're doing. What are we doing?
Welcome to the vlog.
You didn't answer my question.
When you're fast asleep, all those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Hi ho, it's home from work we go. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? Be a man, you must be swift as a coursing river. Be a man with all the force of a great typhoon. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. You just remember what your old past said. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Whistle while you wait. Do your best and take a rest and sing yourself a song. Everybody, everybody, everybody wants to be a cat. Everybody, everybody, everybody wants to be a cat. Life be unseen about everything. When I see an elephant fly, when I see an elephant fly. You poor unfortunate soul, so sad, but true. You poor unfortunate soul. Now sing.
Okay, so we got this, what's it called?
I have no idea. Cookie dusted churro?
Yeah, cookie dusted churro. We haven't tried it yet. We're about to try it.
Oh.
What's the dipping?
Wait, what do you mean we haven't tried it yet? That was so messy.
Tastes like a regular churro.
It tastes like a regular churro with cookie and with Oreo dust.
Yeah.
Like if you mush like the cookie part of the Oreo, that's what it is.
And so just update. We were in Disneyland. We rode. Where did we ride?
Thunder Mountain. And then Hyperspace.
Hyperspace was crazy.
I like Hyperspace better than Space Mountain.
And after Hyperspace.
No, we went on Buzz before Hyperspace.
Oh yeah. And mine was broken.
Mine too. Mine said score 0.
Hers wasn't broken. And then we walked over to California. And then now we're having a churro. But that's it. We're about to go to Guardians. And then Credit Coaster. And then watch World of Color. Because supposedly it's back.
I walked with you once upon a dream. I know you, that look in your eyes is so familiar, a gleam. Tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme. Beauty and the Beast. I can show you the world
shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew.
But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear.
Now I'm in a whole new world. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, strolling along down the street. Up where they walk, up where they ride, up where they stay in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world.
From the day we arrive on the planet and blinking step into the sun, there's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do
That can never be done.
The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake.
With all the strength of a raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of. For the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be life.
From this day on, now and forevermore. This is the night, what a beautiful night.
And they call it Bella Notte. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
So we just left the happiest place on earth. Shh, I'm vlogging. And then, yeah, it was grad night, so they kicked us out at 9 p.m. But we were able to watch World of Color. Credit Coaster closed. World of Color was like amazing though. Probably the highlight. That or Guardians. Where do we park? Oh, I see my car. I see my car. I see my car.